Hello, I am speaking today about the No Network message with the Mint Mobile company. I want to begin by saying that there's some flaws in the computer 3-step process that they have. Okay, now let's see. Make sure your device is properly unlocked from other previous phone carriers, and make sure that the Mint Mobile confirms compatibility with your phone. The first thing you should do is go to Settings, then tap Connections, then scroll and tap Mobile Network. Now you're going to scroll a little more and go to Access Point Names. Okay, the access point name you're going to have to add if you don't have it in your phone, and press the 3 dots. Follow the instructions. The first word you're going to type is Ultra, and then underneath Wholesale. And make sure you save and add it to your phone so that then you can tap it and you will be filling out all the access point information, which is the following: name, wholesale. It has to say all these things as you see here. And once you have those, type in all of this, put the video on pause, make sure you have every comma or every dot exactly as is. Everything you have blank, make sure it's like this. Some things may not need to be set. Once you have finished, whatever question pop-up arises, if there is one, answer it, and you may be on the success to having your phone working. Good luck. Any questions? Put them in the comments, just in case I'm able to instruct you any further.